How to remove all header and footer in Microsoft Word. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'll be showing you a way to remove all header and footer in Microsoft. In order to remove header and footer in Microsoft, first of all, launch your Microsoft and open a file. Now, for example, as you can see, this is the particular header and footer. If you're unable to see header and footer, so you can see that the header and footer has been removed. This is not actually been removed, it is just hidden. In order to see header and footer or to remove it, you'll need to double click on the file on the top left hand side corner of your screen or just above the sentence. As you can see, you'll be able to see the header and footer button. As soon as you right click on your mouse, you'll be able to see right on top close header and footer. If you want to remove it, just tap on this and close. Now, in order to remove it, you need to go to insert. After that, it's going to take you to this page. You can see right on top you have header and footer as well. Now go ahead and tap on header, scroll down right to the bottom and click on remove header. If you're sure about removing header, do the same procedure for footer as well. So as you can see that the header and footer has been removed. So in this way you can remove header and footer. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.